Close all editors. That's right click, run as Java application. Run as Java application. Every 30 seconds, it will send the message. Say next, say next, say finish. Java. Yeah, message send, guys. Yeah, message receive. Message send, guys. Message receive. Okay. Like this, we can enable scheduling now, boss. Now, I want to make sure that these applications are dealing with pub-sub model. Yeah. These applications are dealing with pub-sub model. Same thing I am taking to, here I am taking this one as what? Pub-sub. To receiver. What is there? Pub-sub. Sender and receiver pub-sub. And you don't believe, guys, I'll keep everything as it is except two things. Okay. Two places I will change. Okay. Now let's see. Right now I'm sending text message. Don't worry, in future I'll send object as a message. Pub-sub I'm taking true na, boss. Yeah. In receiver application also. I'll take pub-sub as true. Yes. This is my sender application. This is what? Yeah, that's good. Message send, message sent. Okay. Now pub-sub model, or before implementing pub-sub model, guys, wait a minute. I want to introduce one person to the classroom. Okay, I want to introduce one person to the classroom who got job recently as a fresher, and she's also surviving nicely. Her name is what? You write cron expression with receiver application property file. No, I have written correctly, but wrong project I have written. Right. Chanchal, are you there? Chanchal, are you there? Raised hand, 1 minute. Okay, Chanchal, I am going to unmute you. Please accept it. Chanchal Sambe. Is it your name? Yeah. You can speak, Chanchal. Chanchal.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah. What about online students? Online student, is she audible? Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead, Chanchal.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. As Natraj sir told, my name is Chansal. I'm from Amravati, Maharashtra. I am 2024 BTech pass out. Like my journey start with in final year, I started joining and working as a a software developer intern at PBR Research itself, where I work around 9 to 10 months. Like after that, I switched to Pune. So there I faced like 2 3 interview and I failed that one. So I felt that like I have more knowledge. I require more knowledge to crack the interview. And some of my friend were in Hyderabad in Naresh IT. They were taking the coaching from Naresh IT, like from .NET or Java developer course. So they suggest me to come Hyderabad and join the Java developer course. So I joined as a without placement assistant course and started learning core Java from the Hare Krishna sir, like where I started building my foundation for the knowledge for the Java, like core Java, and I studied Core Java, Advanced Java from the Hare Krishna sir, and Springboot microservices from Natras sir, and SQL Oracle SQL from the Sudhakar Ladda sir. As I am without placement batch student, we need to crack the screening test so that we can get a placement assistant. So I cracked that one and I got the opportunity for the placement assistance. After that, I got so many opportunity to face the interview and to appear for the system test and all these things. I got like 3 4 I got, but I rejected that one because I thought I will get good one and more opportunity. So I felt regret because I reject that, and so many company rejected me also, like in HR round or because of some other reason. So after that, I got this opportunity. I cracked it, and it's been like 3 plus month. I'm working as a full stack Java developer at Nulfinity Technology, where my role is full stack Java developer. I'm handling a front end, back end database and AWS part also. Like I want to thank to all my faculty who gave me a good guidance, great teaching. Like Natras sir is always there for me. Like at every point, when I felt some issue, when I felt some problem, I used to talk with, like, I tell to Natras sir, he will guide me at every point. Hare Krishna sir, I want to thank to Hare Krishna sir also. He also teach taught me like all the Java concept. Like I want to tell all of you, like whatever the faculty is teaching you, like many peoples are there, many students are there who are complaining about the time and the theory and all these things. But believe me, this all the theory, this all the practical, this all the concept, whatever our faculty teaching to us, it's very useful while working in the real time project in the company. So I felt that like where I'm working on the Spring Security, Spring AI, like that on front end also. So I felt that this I learned from all the faculty. It's like I'm implementing each and every topic, whatever I learn in this course while uh, like from the Natras sir, I learned Spring Security like very clearly, and I'm implementing that. So you should be like learn here, do practical so that if you get all the tasks, you can able to solve the problem. You can implement whatever you are learning here. Don't take it as a lightly, and don't take it as for only for the like interview clearance. Like some peoples are there who just want to clear the interview, but like I feel and I have some experience, like in my colleagues also there, they just crack the interview. But for if anyone gave them tasks to do this, they feel issue there, they are unable to solve that. And one more thing I will tell you, like do and like you should be analytical thinking, critical thinking. You should be the problem solver. So go through the HackerRank website, go through the LeetCode website, CodeCheck website, solve the small problems there so that you will build your critical thinking, problem solving, all these things. And for the interview, I would like to tell you, prepare the from Core Java, prepare OOPS concept, exception handling, Java 8 new feature, which is the most important topic. Sometimes they ask a coding question on that to write on the paper, or if it is online, then they ask you to write on the notepad. Sometimes they ask you to run all the I faced one interview where they said me to build microservices by microservices one project. You have to connect with database, you have to take the input from the user and store into database. So do practical, so that you will, if you face some problem like that, if you get some coding problem like that in interview, so that you can able to solve that. After that, solve the array problem, string problem, number problem, and the pattern problem. Some of the company are asking this coding problem in the coding round. And just do practical, don't waste your time, and don't lose the opportunity. If you are getting one opportunity, you should be able to grab that at once only. So that's what I want to tell you. One more things, I want to tell you like that when you go to interview, you should be feel that interviewer, that you are learning from the interviewer, not like that you are telling something to interviewer. Like, don't give answer immediately. If you know, also take some time and then you give answer. You feel that that time interviewer will feel that I asked a very difficult question to the person, and he is trying to give the answer to you. Even though if you know the answer, please take some time and then give the answer to him. Otherwise, if you he asks question to you and you will give answer to him, his ego will hurt and he will ask more that question. Sometimes he also don't know what the answer of that question, but he will ask you or to you, like to satisfy the ego and all these things. So be careful while going to interview, while giving to answer to him. So that's what I want to tell to you all.
Yeah, that's really great. Chancel, you learned a lot, and I think I keep on selling this statement. When you know answer for any question, don't answer it before he completes the questioning, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe you might have faced that situation. That's why you are sharing the experience with him,
Yeah, yes, sir. I
with
faced
us,
that.
with others. Fine. You can share the recent incident that happened with you, and you communicated with me, and I guided you how to think positive. You can even share that, no problem.
Yeah, currently I'm facing the it's not about the work, it's not about what I am doing, the tasks and all these things. It's the company environment which I'm facing, because I'm the north side girl, and it's like I don't want to demotivate you, but like I'm feeling this because I'm north side and all are Telugu people, so I feel some left out, like that. uh, Not like left out. I talked more I'm not more extrovert and not introvert. I can talk when I feel comfortable. So in my company, I get some senior assigned me tasks, I completed it before time or on time. So maybe because of that, maybe that people don't feel good, and they complain about me, like I don't I take too much time, waste my working time, all these things. But I concern all these things to Natraj sir. I was about to quit, and before that, I thought that I have to share all these things to Natraj sir. Natraj sir, explain me everything in a positive way, that we should not think about the negative parts. We should think what we are doing, what we are what I have given a task. I have to complete that within a time, and learning a new things instead of thinking about the bad people's negative points. So from that day onwards, I'm thinking in a positive way, and literally, I'm not like taking a stress and all these things about the environment, about the people. I'm learning new things. Like I started learning on deep learning, AI agents, so that I can build the AI agent like LLM software, like ChatGPT has. So I'm working on that. I'm learning that one thing instead of like focusing on the other things which will not good for me and good for my health. So
Yeah,
like
I'll tell.
yeah, I
She's not
want.
able to put in a positive way. I'll tell
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
She came to me and said, in my team, most of the Telugu people are there. So some of them are relative to management. So they are not mingling with me. I am not able to mingle with them. So always that left out feeling is coming. So they are complaining about me with management. Okay. Then I said, see, in software company, what matters, task taken, task submission. These two things matter. What you do in the middle really does not matter. As long as you are taking the task and developing the task and submitting the task, remaining things, no one really bothers. So that's why I come out of that kind of psychological feeling. Keep anything aside. Fine. There are more local people. They are not accepting you to their gang. No problem. You go and try for a few times. It's not happening now. Fine. They are not paying you for mingling with others. They are paying you for what? Taking the task, completing the task, and submitting the task. Right. So stick on that. As long as that is good, you will be there in the company. The day that is disturbed, yes, definitely. On a still problem is more you are not able to survive in that environment, not because of technical reason, because of these administrative issues. My always suggestion is one thing: complete 1 year somehow. You will get some knowledge. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes,
you
sir.
will get some knowledge. Do one thing: parallelly search for job. The moment you got a better offer, quit this job. Quit this job.
Yes, sir.
And I think she started doing that only. She's upgrading something new so that you can try for a new job. Once you get the best job, she can leave the existing job. But that
Yes,
attitude of thinking should be changed. That's my request. What others think about us really does not matter. What your team leader thinks about you, that matters. Especially towards taking the task and submitting the task. And communicate uh,
yes, sir.
that moreover that every communication you keep in the mails,
Yes,
so
sir.
that no one can say you are not doing any work, right?
Yes,
The company is not using Jira. You try to put at the end of the day, these are the tasks I completed today, these are the works I did today, so they don't be having anything to complain on you, right?
yes,
Yeah, no one is his friend. We should focus on work salary here with. Here the North team lead will facing same. Here PZ also no one will support. No, why are you expecting someone to support, guys? That's our your subject, your support. Your task completion, your subject. Right? That's good.
yes, sir.
Thank you, Chanchal. I think thanks
Yes,
for
sir.
coming
Thank
and
you.
sharing your journey on Sunday. I know it's a day of relaxation, but still you spared
Yeah,
some time for others. Okay, this will help. This will
like
definitely help others to groom themselves. Right?
yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Chanchal, you can share mail ID so that if anyone wants to communicate with you, they can communicate. You can share in the chat box. Right. Hmm. So I want to go for pub sub model, guys. Here I changed pub sub domain true. Here I changed pub sub domain. That's great. Okay, 1 minute. I'll give. Okay, don't worry. I'll share, guys. I'll share Chanchal mail ID. Copy this, paste it. What is there to everyone? Yeah. Yeah, I have taken PubSub model, guys. I changed it. Okay, now let me change the topic name also, my dear. Let me change the topic name in the sender and receiver. Here is my sender, guys. Here is my sender, PPC1. Yeah, that is the topic. Yeah. Now here is my receiver. What is there? TPC. Wow. Yeah. Tell me. One is receiver side. Zero to receiver application. Sender application finish. Run as a Java application. Receiver one. Tell me next one. Receiver two. Receiver one, receiver two. Sender. Okay. Now listen. The message will go. Now PubSub model na guys. PubSub model na same message will go to two receivers. Message sent. Observe. First receiver one message came. Next receiver two message came. Now I'll start another receiver, guys. Your receiver is nothing but subscriber, guys. Don't think much. Receiver is nothing but subscriber. No, this is not getting message. Why? The message will go to only to those subscriber who have done their subscription before publisher publish the message. Before publisher publish the message, right? Before the publisher publish the message. Now you look at this topics. See, a new queue destination is created, TPC1. Yes, TPC1. Here, see, the message is still there now, guys. Though it is red, still message is there. Message is still there. Did you notice that? Message consumer, number of consumers are 3. Enqueued is 1. Message dequeued is 2. Message dequeued is 2. That's there. Fine, my dear. Come on, everyone. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. That's good. Fine. Okay. So one message will have a multiple subscribers. Okay, let me check. Open this. Session 2 example on JMS. Save this. Yeah, one message will have multiple subscribers or developing PubSub model, everything same, guys. You have to change that one to key points. One message published by publisher can be consumed by more than one subscriber. Subscriber must done their subscription before publisher publish the message. The message published by publisher will be duplicated and will be delivered to multiple subscribers. The publisher and subscriber all must be in an active state at a time. In this model, the destination name is what? Topic. One subscriber consumes the message from topic destination will not be deleted. Will not be deleted. Okay. And this entire discussion is on what? How to send object over the network. To send the object over the network, it should be taken as serializable object or not. Normal object, guys. Okay, because of serialization, you will get bits and bytes of the object. Once we got bits and bytes of the object, it can be sent over the network and it can be sent to the file. Okay, through deserialization, these bits and bytes can be converted into object. Through deserialization, this file content can be converted into object. This file content can be converted into object. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity, my dear? Come on. So these are what? Serialization, guys. Why are you discussing serialization all of a sudden? Simple. Between sender and mom and receiver, there's a chance of having network or not. There is a possibility of having network or not there. When there is a possibility of having network, when there is a possibility of having network, definitely what? When there is a possibility of what? Having network, there is a possibility of having network means what? Ultimately, what happens, my dear? Come on. Since there is a possibility of having network, we have to take serializable object or not there. How does normal object become serializable object? The class of the object must implement java.io.serializable interface. The class of the object must implement java.io.serializable interface. What interface, guys? Java.io.serializable interface. Are you getting my point? Check it out. Java object, send it as serializable. It goes store in destination as bits and bytes. It comes. Receiver application receives the bits and bytes, converts into object. Receives the bits and bytes and converts into object. Is that clear, my dear? Come on. Got the point, my dear? I want reply, guys. Close all editors, guys. Close all editors. Here is the story. Yeah. Now I'm interested to send what? Uh, Either PubSub model or PTP model. I'm interested to send object over the net. Copy this, pros 3, sender application, PTP. What is there? Sending object. Sending object. Tell me, guys. Pros 3, receiver application. What is there? Receiver. What object, guys? Receiving object. Sender application, PTP, sending object. Receiver application, receiving object. That's great. Stop this, stop this, stop this. Go to sender. Here I'll take a model class. Here I'll take a model class. What's the package? com.nt.mod. What is their student? Are a student a customer? That really does not. But only student not sufficient, guys. We should implement what? Serialize. Serializable. Private. Private integer. SN. What is their private string? Yes. Next, private string SAD. At the rate data. Here I want to add what? Lombok API. What API? Spring add starters. Spring add starters Lombok. Say next. Form.xml finish. At the rate data. Tell me. Private float ads. Private float average. It's a serializable object. Same model class I will keep in what? Receiver applications. Save list. Now let's take the sender, guys. Go to student.java. Here I will write at the rate noarg constructor. At the rate all arg constructor. At the rate noarg constructor. At the rate all arg constructor. This is my student.java or .java student. Yeah, that's fine. JMS sender, guys. What is there, guys? JMS sender, guys. Yeah, I don't want to send text message. I want to send what? Object. First, let me prepare the object. Prepare object with data. Student ST1 is equal to new student 1001. What is there? Rajesh. Address what? Hyderabad. Average 89.9 F. Simply what is there, guys? 89.9 F. That's good. 89.9 F. Tell me. M key, M key. Yeah, here different method. Alright, send is there only for text message, but we are looking to send. Convert and send. Send and convert. Alright, what is the method? We have a different method for this, guys. Model class, that's good. We have a different method. Convert and send, guys. Convert and send. Convert and send. What is there? MQ, MQ to MQ to ST. Okay. Object message is sent. Object message is sent. Array. Array, it will convert and send, guys. It will convert and send. Okay, that's good. Look at the receiver part, guys. Look at the receiver part. Receiver. Same everything, nothing changes. but I have to add Lambda KPI, nothing else. Let me add Lambda KPI. Add starters. Here is my Lambda KPI. Say next. Form.xml. Save finish. Form.x. That's good. Here is my receiver. JMS receiver. What is the one I want to receive? MQ. What is the one I want to receive? Student. Yes. Received. Yes. Anyhow, two string is there. Yes. The object message is control plus if. That's it, guys. Only simple method difference, guys. Remaining all are same. Convert and send is the one difference. Okay. Now I'm dealing with the pub sub model. First, start the sender first. What is there? 03 sender application. Say next. Save finishes. Run as a Java application, guys. Object is sent. Now let's go for receiver application now. 02 receiver application. Or right click run as a Java application. Oh, what's the problem? Class not found. I'll tell the reason. Why I will tell. Are there zero, their constructors are extra, here not there. Their constructors are extra, there, here not there. That's why not come. Structure is not matching, guys. Here also I will put what? No arg constructor. Here also I will put what? All arg. Okay, now check freshly. Okay, wanted,ly I'll go back. Queues. MQ2 is there. Deleted. I want to take everything freshly, guys. Let me take everything freshly. Yeah, sender, guys. Right click, run as a Java application. Sender is sending the message successfully. Hey, mom software is running internally. Don't forget that. It's running all. Here is my receiver application. Say next, finish. Run as a Java application. Hey, what's happening, guys? Is not a trusted one. I understood. We have to trust the package, guys, by adding extra entry in the property file. We have to trust the package by adding one extra entry in the package, guys. Spring.active.mq.packages.trust all. We have to write it. If you don't place this entry, then possibility of getting following error is not a trusted classes. We have to, when something is coming, we have to trust it. Enable trust on the classes. Okay, go to what? Receiver application dot properties. Okay, trust the packages. Spring dot active mq dot trust. Spring dot active mq dot trust all true. Trust all. Spring dot active mq dot trust all true. Yeah, this is my sender application. Right click, run as Java. Sender is sending the message. Here is my receiver application. Run as Java. Receiver is receiving the application. Yeah, we are able to receive the object or not there. we are able to receive the object or not there. See, right now I'm keeping student information, small text message. You think about car manufacturing example, the object having tires information, required information, all these things now, my dear. Okay. Are PTP model is already enabled. PTP model enabled. So pub sub false means PTP model is enabled now, boss. What's happening, guys? Yeah, Avinash Verma, you have to install P2 plugin. Lambda KPI is not working means you have not added P2 plugin. That's mistake you have done. That's a mistake you have done. Okay, now let me, yeah, next Saturday, Sunday also, we have concept called Springboot Apache Kafka. Springboot Apache Kafka is next Saturday, Sunday concept. You have to install from here, you have to install help menu, install new software. There you have to install it. Okay. Let me get into these properties. Properties. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go to different folders. What is there? 710 is one folder. Next, 710 is one folder. 916 is another. 916 is another. P2 plugin. Avinash Verma P2 plugin. In multiple documents, I have given procedure with a screenshot. Please check. Right. Thank you. This is about JMS, guys, message-based communication. When we meet in next class, we will discuss about Kafka, messaging by using Kafka. Right, guys. If possible, please copy email also. Already email is pasted in everyone more. Check it out. Upload application to Drive. They will be uploaded at right time, once in a while, not every day. Thank you, guys. Onwards, for other student, regular class are there. Those are looking for only weekend topic. We'll meet on next Saturday, Sunday, 11 o'clock, which discussion.